up we have Canada. Please welcome Canada Pavilion. This year the pavilion will showcase the diversity of our country and all the
cultural goods.
And we have Argentina. A warm welcome goes out to Argentina, joining us this year with a wide variety of cultural foods. Make sure you try to make some time to visit their pavilion.
Welcome Barbados Pavilion. Barbados has delicious menu items such as fish cake, sweetbread, Bajan barbecue chicken nachos. Also experience their culture through artifacts and arts and crafts.
We're so happy to welcome Belgium back this year.
They took through a wide display of bamboo instruments and other interesting items. Say hello to the Cambodian.
Cambodia. Bạn bóng vô cùng là sai. Cambodia.
Thank you. Vietnam is here. Here we'll have one with the flags up, one with the flags down, and then we'll bring the flags down for our speeches and our welcome. Rick, first one with the flags up, Rick. Let's get the flags up. Let's get the signs up. We want to hear you cheer.